Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. 5 yoga asana for healthy youthful glow. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Chin mudra. Okay, now follow 5 things. Yam, niyama, asana, pranayama, dhyana. Yam means our personal discipline. Niyama means social discipline. Pranayama, lot of breathing exercises that help to clear toxins from your body. Asana help to increase blood circulation for youthful, radiant skin. Dhyan, meditation is always important. Okay, now we are going to focus in this 5 thing. We are starting with exercises. First exercise we'll do balloon pose. Inhale. Fill your mouth with air properly. Hold for 10 seconds. Gradually you can increase it. This is the best exercise to control puffiness. Excellent exercise for increasing blood circulation, reducing toxins. Very good for reducing wrinkles. Let's do this exercise again. Inhale. I can feel the stretch. This is really good for strengthening and toning your facial muscle too. Now let's do second exercise, which is also amazing exercise. This we call side tongue pose. Very good for your neck sag. Let's do it. Look to your right side. Pull your tongue out. Look to your left side. Pull your tongue out, hold for 10 seconds. Release. Now we are going to do squeeze pose. Inhale. Relax. Breathing exercises. So pranayama will do kapal dhoti kriya, fingertips. Press your fingertips. Inhale, same thing. You are going to fill your mouth with air. Hold your nostril. Kapal dhoti kriya, face purification kriya. Now let's do this kriya again. It will allow more oxygen to get in. Fingertips. This helps to stimulate your nervous system. Inhale. Relax, release. Okay, now dhyan, meditation, which is also very important. So dhyan, we are going to do dhyan mudra. Hands close to your navel and touch your both thumb. Close your eyes. Feel your body from inside. We'll chant Om. Inhale deeply. up your palm. And release. Diet also play very important role, guys. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food. Drink lot of water. Always stay healthy, happy. If you have any comments, anything, just let us know and take care. Stay healthy. Bye.